Now children, we will start with our next topic. Topic is scenario. How we can create scenario. Children, this is also the part of what if analysis. Right now we have learned about goal seek. In goal seek, work on single value. Here right now what we have learned in goal seek, that what is your goal you will place here, and it how it will seek, it will do the changes there in the selling price. Okay, my profit is this one, and so I want my profit to 65,000. For this I will select the goal seek, and in goal seek I will place my profit value. It will do the changes in the selling price according to it. This one is my goal seek. Now children, we will learn about scenario. Scenario in general term you have learned now. Scenario basically we are using for comparison between different data. In English, what is scenario? Say what happened in future. So means you are comparing between different values. That is by we can do with the help of scenario. So for how we can create scenario, first we will learn about this. Children, you will check here. I have created one sample sheet for you. Here, suppose I am having one touring company and the name of my company is XYZ Touring Company. Okay. Now here, these are the 3-day package I am creating. This is the city Jaipur. Here sightseeing I am giving the value 10,000. Here pick up and drive drop in Jaipur, it is 7,000 rupee. Its costing is 7,000. In dinner and lunch its costing is 4,500, and here in stay in hotel it is of 30,000. Done. Now total you want, children, either you will place that symbol, or you will use auto sum function, or where you can place formula. Why B4 is written here, you will check it is in B column and in fourth row. That's why the address of the cell is B4. Now you will place this addition symbol, and then select second cell address again with the addition symbol, third cell address, and then plus again, and then fourth cell, and then press enter. You will check total of this amount is this one. Now you are coming here and you are saying me ki ma'am, are you having any traveling package from uh, in the range 45,000 to 70,000? This one is your budget, means this one is your scenario. So for according to your requirement, here I am creating scenario. By this you can easily do the comparison. How we can create scenario I will show. Children, this one is also the part of what if. Okay, so for this click on data tab. Which group? Data tools group. Here you will check what if analysis. Click here. Here is scenario manager. Click here. You will check here. You will create your package here. This time I will show you how we can create the package. So first you will click on add. Here you will check no scenario defined. Now you will click on add. When you are clicking add, you will check this window appear, add scenario. Here is name of the scenario. You will give a name to your scenario. Here I am giving that this one is Jaipur package. I am creating one traveling package for Delhi. Done. Here change cell. Children, in which cell you want to do the changes? So for this you will select this from this cell to all the cells. Except total, please don't select the total. It will do the change by itself because formula we have placed there. In comment section you will give any comment if you want. So here I am giving comment that this one is the traveling package to Delhi. Done. If this protection prevent changes enable, you will disable this. Now click on OK. When you are clicking OK, you will check scenario will values, one new window appear. Here is city name. You will do the changes. यहाँ पे हम change करेंगे. This one is my traveling package to Delhi. Sightseeing, here you will do the changes. Here I am writing 12. And pick up and then drop, you will do the changes. Here I am doing 7 to 9,000. And in dinner and lunch in Delhi it is of 5,500. Stay in hotel, it is on, in place of 30 I am doing changes 37,000. Now click OK. Children, you will check here one scenario is created, that is traveling for Delhi. I want to create one more scenario. Again you will check the steps very carefully. Click on add. Here is scenario name. You will give any name to this scenario. Here I am giving this name, traveling to अजमेर. डन. चेंजिंग सेल्स किस में चेंज करना है मुझे? फ्रॉम सिटी आई वांट टू डू द चेंजेस इन स्टे एंड होटल. अगेन आई टेल कि प्लीज डोंट डू सेलेक्ट दिस टोटल कॉलम. Okay, now here in comment section if you want to give any comment you will give. Here I am selecting this and I am writing that this one is traveling package to Ajmer. Done. If this one enable, disable this and then click OK. Now children, here scenario values, you will do the changes. Here in place of Jaipur, city name is Ajmer. Sightseeing in Ajmer, it is of 9,000. Pick up and drop, here in Ajmer it is of 8,000. Dinner and lunch in Ajmer it is 55. Next, stay in hotel, in place of 30,000 it is 27,000. Okay, now click OK. Children, you will check here two scenario I have already created here. Now you want to check the summary, then you will click on this summary option. Here scenario summary is appear, here is scenario summary. Children, here in result cell, now you will select the total cell क्योंकि total में ही change हो रहा है, and then click on OK. When you are clicking OK, you will check here, it will show you the summary. Basically scenario we are using for doing this comparison. Here you will check city name is Jaipur, city name is Delhi and city name is Ajmer, and you will check that these are the total package values and these all are coming in your range. Your range is 40 to 70,000, 40 to 75,000. You will check all these packages are coming in your range. So this is, by this method you can easily do the comparison. Again I will show that how we can create new scenario. I will show you that if you want to create new scenario, first I am closing this, deleting this. Okay, I will show you how we can create scenario. This one is my sheet. Click on data tab, what if analysis. Here is scenario manager. You want to add another scenario, you will select, you will give any name to scenario. Here I am giving traveling to Delhi, Ajmer, Alwar, this time Alwar. ठीक है. Changing cells, you will select the cells जिनमें changes करना है. Here in comment section you will give any comment. Here I am giving traveling to Alwar, traveling package to Alwar. Done. Protection, prevent any changes, disable this and then click OK. When you are clicking OK in city, you will give any name to the city. Here I am giving the name to this Alwar. Sightseeing in Alwar, it is of 7,000 rupee. And here in pick up and drop, it is of 5,000 rupee. Dinner and lunch in Alwar, it is of 6,000. Stay in hotel in Alwar, it is of 19,000. Now click OK. And now children, you will check all the packages are available here, all the scenarios are available here. Now you will click on this summary option. When you are clicking summary, this window appear. Here is screen summary. Here scenario summary, result, in result cell you will select this particular cell. Children, you will check the address change to this. Now click OK. By this, here you will check that this is the summary is there. Scenario basically we are using for doing comparison. Now in your budget you will check all the values are there, you will do the comparison easily. This is scenario function. Okay, basically scenario we are using in doing this comparison, and mostly in companies we are using scenario. Okay class, so I hope you will understand this. So thank you so much class for listening this. Thank you.